Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 10, chapter 5. Today's topic is food and nutrition of animal. An ideal food pyramid. A balanced diet includes carbohydrate, vitamin and minerals, protein, fats or oils. Placing carbohydrates at the bottom and considering the quantities of vegetables, fruits, protein, fats and oils successive. If we arrange the substance in successive tiers, it looks like a pyramid. This is called ideal food pyramid. This diagram shows carbohydrates at the base and fats and oil at the apex. Or we may say that a food pyramid is a presentation of the optimal numbers of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basic food groups. I am saying again, a food pyramid is a presentation of the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basic food groups. If we follow the figure, there is an ideal food pyramid. We take different types of food. This food we may grouped in different group on the basis of food ingredients, especially carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, etc. In the picture we can see that carbohydrate group is in bottom and the quantity or amount is high. Then we get fruits and vegetables. This is also the carbohydrates as well as vitamin and minerals. Then we have to take the protein. Then we take we take fats or oil, which is the top and amount is less. This type of pyramid is called an ideal food pyramid. Characteristics of balanced diet. Number 1, people should have the ability to produce adequate energy through metabolism. People should have the ability to produce adequate energy. That means every body has no same power to metabolism to produce the energy from different types of food. People should have the ability to produce adequate energy through metabolism. This is the main point to choose the balanced diet. Number 2, protein, fats and carbohydrate should be eaten proportionality. That means carbohydrate amount is high, then protein, then fats. If we write in amount or proportionality, carbohydrate 4, protein 2, fat 1 is the ratio of ideal food or balanced food. Including fresh fruits and vegetables in the diet for the supply of necessary vitamin, roughage or cellulose. Number 4, there must be sufficient water and minerals. Number 5, the diet must be easily digestible. each and every body, the power of digestion is not same, so we have to choose the food which is easily digestible. Preparing a balanced food chart. Number 1, person's sex, age, occupation and health condition. Actually, in order to prepare a balanced food chart, some issues should be taken into consideration. Number 1, person's sex, male or female, age, children, adult or old age, occupation, hard worker or less worker, or don't take any physical activities, health condition, thin, fat. These issues we have to think before preparing a balanced food chart. Number 2, knowledge about food value. Must have to knowledge about the food value. Number 3, presence of adequate protein supply for repairing and bodybuilding. Especially in growing age, we have to take more amount of protein, and as well as after suffering from different types of disease, for repairing we have to take more protein. Number 4, presence of adequate amount of vitamins, minerals and water. Knowledge regarding climate, weather and food habit. Climate, weather and food habit is another important issues, especially the region of cold areas. Food habit is different on the basis of others areas like hot region. Especially in our region, most probably you observed that in winter season we feel less hunger comparatively in hot season, because in winter the metabolic rate is less. That's why the feelings of hunger is less. So we have to choose the food on the basis of thinking about climate, weather as well as food habit. Number 6, economic condition of family and number of family members. It is another important issue. Economic condition. We need protein, but poor people can't buy the costly protein, so they will buy their protein in cheap rate which are available in our market. Table A, food chart for adult male and female. Adult male and female. Name of food grains without work, moderate work, hard work. In female, without work, moderate working and hard working. That means the different types of food is not essential same in male and female, is not same moderate worker and hard worker. It will depend their different activities as well as sex. There is mentioned bean or kidney beans, egg and fish, leafy vegetables, other vegetables, potato, milk, fat or oil, sugar, etc. and there are different types of amounts. We have to read it for our MCQ. Table B, general food value. Name of food grains, energy calorie. This table has been prepared on the basis of food value of nutritional value of food grains in Bangladesh. This is published and accepted by the Institute of Nutrition and Food Science. Calories have been determined for every 100 grams edible part of food. If we take 100 grams of rice, wheat grains, lentil, carrot, potato, how much amount of calorie we get? There is a table. We have to read it and memorize it for our MCQ. As for example, rice, from 100 gram rice we get 346 kilocalorie energy. Wheat, we get 341 kilocalorie energy. From brinjal, that means from 100 gram brinjal we get 24 kilocalorie energy, and we get highest kilocalorie from 100 gram of ghee, which is 900. That's why it is called a rich food or a high caloric food. Cooking oil also 900 kilocalorie from 100 gram of cooking oil. Thank you.